So my tripod bit the dust finally. So we're gonna give this one a try, see what we think. It's got a really nice case. Quality on this feels really good. And nice little bag here, or handle. That's awesome. Okay. So it looks like there's a little bit of assembly required. All right, so then we have the instruction manual. All right, so, okay, that's really smooth. I like that. And then I would assume it locks. Yep. Okay, cool. So then we have 3 different extension options here. These are little feet that we're gonna screw into the bottom. Full 360 rotation, so you can put them on uneven surfaces if needed, so that's really cool. And I like how wide they are. This will be extremely stable. I absolutely love these little quick connect mounting plates, and it's really cool that they give you 2. So that way, if you're working with 2 different cameras, you don't have to sit there and unscrew the camera off to change it out. You can just use the quick connect plates. So this is gonna come in handy because I do work with 2 cameras a lot. And then also the quick connect is just awesome because I'm constantly like taking my camera off the tripod to get a close up and then putting it back on for distance shots. So this is a time saver. So as far as assembly goes, I just had to screw this on, I'm gonna screw the handle on, and then I had to put the feet on, and that's it. Even the little handle to like turn the crank to tighten it is nice. It's real thick, so you can get a good grip on it. My last tripod, it was like a thin metal, and you could barely grip it to tighten it, so that's awesome. And then they do have the phone mount included as well. It's got a nice little spring load, so you can quickly connect your phone in and out of it. And so that's where the second mounting plate is going to come in handy too. Like if you're shooting some footage with your phone and then you want to swap it out for your camera, you can quickly do that. I'm going to tell you what, I know a lot of cameras come with this stuff. I'm kind of geeking out over it, but for the price, I'm really shocked with everything that they included here. And the quality is really good too. Like this is some really good thick plastic. Like I'm not worried about this. I can drop this a couple times and I think it'll be okay. Not that I want to drop it, but that's how my other one broke. Okay, so we've got a full 360. That sucker's on there tight. It's not coming off, so that's good. It's got a really nice handle as well, so you can hold it this way. And then of course we have the hook on the bottom. Just to give you an idea, I'm 5'4", and this is as high as it can go, so it's pretty awesome. So the one I'm showing you here is the 74-inch model in black. They do have other colors and sizes available as well. You can grab this on Amazon. I've got the link for you in the description below.